Have you ever experienced that relentless cough that just seems to cling on, especially during a flu? It can be exhausting, disruptive, and make getting through your day feel like an uphill battle. Finding relief for that persistent cough is often a top priority when you are feeling unwell. To reduce a cough from the flu, the most effective strategies involve a combination of rest, staying well hydrated, and utilizing various over-the-counter remedies designed to soothe your throat and thin mucus. These approaches work together to calm irritation and help your body clear the respiratory passages more comfortably. The flu virus causes inflammation and irritation in your airways, leading to coughing as your body attempts to clear mucus and irritants. Coughs can be dry and irritating, or wet and productive, depending on the stage of your illness and the amount of mucus present. Rest allows your immune system to focus its energy on fighting the virus, which in turn helps reduce inflammation. Hydration is crucial because it keeps your throat moist and thins out thick mucus, making it easier to cough up and less irritating. Suppressing a dry, hacking cough can provide comfort, while assisting a productive cough helps clear the lungs, improving breathing. You can implement several practical steps at home to alleviate your cough. Ensure you get plenty of sleep, as rest is fundamental for recovery. Drink lots of fluids like water, herbal teas, and broth to stay hydrated and keep mucus thin. Consider using a humidifier in your room, especially at night, to add moisture to the air, which can soothe irritated airways and reduce cough severity. Over-the-counter options such as cough suppressants can help quiet a dry cough, while expectorants may assist in loosening mucus if your cough is productive. You can also try throat lozenges or honey for their soothing effects on an irritated throat. Understanding the type of cough you have, whether it is a dry, irritating cough or one producing mucus, can guide your choice of remedy. For instance, cough suppressants are best for dry coughs that prevent sleep, while expectorants are useful for productive coughs to help clear congestion. The flu often causes post-nasal drip, where mucus drips down the back of your throat, which can also trigger a cough. Addressing this with saline nasal sprays or decongestants can sometimes indirectly reduce coughing. Always read labels carefully and choose medications appropriate for your specific cough and any other health conditions you may have. By combining adequate rest, consistent hydration, and targeted over-the-counter solutions, you can significantly reduce the discomfort of a flu-related cough. These actions support your body's natural healing process, help keep your airways clear, and provide much-needed relief, allowing you to recover more comfortably and return to feeling like yourself sooner.